Welcome to Gear Shift TV. Today, we're diving into the iconic Chevrolet Impala, a car with a rich history and timeless appeal. The Chevrolet Impala has its roots deep in American automotive history, emerging in the late 1950s as Chevrolet's top-of-the-line, full-size car. It quickly became a symbol of American luxury and style during that era. Founded by William C. Durant and Louis Chevrolet, Chevrolet was established in 1911 and has since become one of the most recognizable automotive brands worldwide. Under the hood, the Chevrolet Impala has seen various engines throughout its history, ranging from modest powertrains to high-performance options, catering to a wide range of drivers. Its fame can be attributed to its blend of comfort, reliability, and affordability, making it a popular choice for families and enthusiasts alike. Over the years, it has maintained its reputation as a dependable and stylish vehicle. In terms of speed, the Chevrolet Impala has featured different engines and performance capabilities over the decades, with some models offering impressive acceleration and top speeds. Moving to its interior and exterior design, the Chevrolet Impala boasts a spacious and comfortable cabin, often equipped with modern amenities and luxurious finishes. Externally, its sleek lines and distinctive features have evolved with each generation, adapting to changing automotive trends while retaining its classic charm. As we conclude, remember to show your support by liking this video, leaving a comment, and subscribing to our channel. We appreciate your support as we continue to bring you more automotive insights and updates.